Hello, hi guys! Magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. This is Jennifer Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong tanghali na to, tignan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is special gabay for the month of August 18 hanggang August 24 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kayang kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan para updated kayo sa aking mga videos every time and every moment. So guys, maraming salamat sa walang sama pagsuporta sa aking channel. So bago ang lahat, 'di ba? Tingnan natin ano mahagilap natin sa ating mga gabay, no? Ano kaya messages sa iyo? So ito na nga. Angel Spirit, please give information for the sign of Leo. Ano kayang message sa iyo ng Spirit Guides? Ang ating masasagap. There's a Five of Wands. There's a conflict. And of course, there's an Ace of Pentacles. Or sinasabi dito sa iyo na meron kang struggles about sa finances ngayon. And of course, there's a Two of Wands. There's a decision that you need to make, no? May decision ka dito na panghahawakan na at gagawin decision na. And of course, there's a the Sun card, no? Nagkakaroon ka ng clarity dito. The Temperance, there's a perfect timing. Perfect timing that brings you the lovers. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na mukhang time to heal and time to love life, no? Meron love life na papasok sa iyo ngayon. What is the Five of Wands? What is the Five of Wands? Okay, there's the World card. So, ibig sabihin dito, marami about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Kumaga may travel ka, no? Or there's an information na maghahatid sa'yo ng travel. What is the Ace of Pentacles? Ace of Pentacles represent Ten of Wands. Kumaga makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon o baka maglilipat ka ng trabaho. O lilipat ka ng negosyo, o lilipat ka ng pwesto. O relocation. There's a relocation din dito. And of course, there's a Seven of Wands. There's information na kailangan mo magdesisyon. Protection ng yung grounds mo at protection ng may energy mo. What is the Sun card? What is the Sun card? There is a Nine of Pentacles. There is a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, meron kang, magkakaroon ka daw dito ng financial windfall. Na magtutuloy-tuloy itong about sa finances sa'yo. What is the Temperance? Now, there's a King of Swords. There's an information na hinahatid sa'yo ng ating angel spirit na magkakaroon ka ng inner clarity or inner wisdom, no? Parang enlightenment siya. What is the Tower moment? There's a Chariot card. Ibig sabihin, the Lovers pala. Sorry. There's a the Lovers and the Chariot card. Ibig sabihin dito, may parating talaga, no, na love life sa buhay mo. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na itong love life na to ay talagang magdadala sa'yo ng success. What is the Five of Wands and the World card? There's a Five of Swords. Stress. Some of you na sa ibang bansa ka. May stress ka dyan sa trabaho mo. No, marami parang feeling mo, ang dami mong marami kang dyan, kumbaga, pinagchichismisan ka, no? What is the Ace of Pentacles and the Ten of Wands? There's a Queen of Wands. Okay. There's a stability. Kumbaga, there's a control. So, wait lang guys. Inom lang ako ng water. Okay, guys. There's a two of wands and the seven of wands. No, meron ka daw ditong pagdidesisyonan. Meron ka daw ditong kailangan mo mag-set ng boundaries. At kailangan mo mag-decision na ngayon kung anong tatahakin mo. There's a Queen of Swords. There's an information na ihahatid sa'yo ng ating mga angel spirit. May balita, mayroong communications, or there's an information na magdadala sa'yo ng bigger future. Kumbaga makikita mo, tanaw na tanaw mo, magkakaroon ka ng mabivisualize mo. Kumbaga, napupunto mo na kagad yung kahihinatnan, no? What is the Sun card? And of course, there's Nine of Pentacles. Okay, there's a King of Cups. A King of Pentacles and the Six of Swords. Sinasabi dito, there's a practicality. Magdadala sa itong practical na kailangan mo maging practical. Kailangan mo get away from the situation. Kailangan mo maging practical. Umalis ka dyan sa sitwasyon na kung alam mo hindi makakatulong sa'yo. Kung alam mo walang benefits yan, umalis ka dyan. Now, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a positive energy. The Sun card represent positive outcome by that Nine of Pentacles for a blossoming abundance. Ibig sabihin, mamamayag pag about sa finances mo at mukhang lalakas, no? Ang daloy ng finances mo. What is the temperance of the King of Swords? What is the temperance of the King of Swords? There's a Death card. No, kumbaga there's an ending and a new beginning. Tinatapos na raw ni God dito yung mga part ng buhay mo na magulo or part ng buhay mo na parang maraming problema. Kumbaga binibigyan ka na dito ng katalinuhan, kaisipan upang makuha mo yung kumbaga yung on point, no, or formula or yung strategy na ang gagawin mo para magkaroon ka ng healing for finances. What is the Lovers and the Chariot card? There's the Moon card. See? There's a truth reveal about dito sa partnership. Kumbaga, unexpected moment. Ito yung dreams, no? Ito yung pinangarap mo na magkaroon ka ng partner or asawa, boyfriend, girlfriend, na hiniling mo. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, ipagkakalob na sa'yo. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumapit ka at tawag dito, patuloy na pagdarasal na ibigay sa'yo yung taong para sa'yo. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Queen of Cups and the Three of Swords. There's an healing for heartache. Ibig sabihin dito, maaaring nagkaroon ng betrayal, deceptions, lying, cheating. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na there's a pain, overall pain, heartbroken. Sinasabi sa'yo magkakaroon kayo ng healing dito. And emotions, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na mukhang may gagamot. Ay! Sabi na, may gagamot sa puso mong sugatan. There's a Nine of Cups, no? Offer, proposal, engagement. Diba? Kumbaga after mo masaktan na yan na, deserve mo maging masaya. Alam mo, Leo, ang dami kong na-sense dito na ang dami mong pinagdaanan sa buhay. About sa trabaho, sa relasyon, sa tahanan, at sa sarili mo, about din sa pera. What is the Love Oracle card? Ay! My God, sabi na healing heart. Diba? Healing broken heart. Magkakaroon ka na ng healing. Siguro some of you nagkaroon ng toxic relationship before. And ngayon, kumbaga, mamamayagpag na, ay! Sabi ko na diba? Engagement diba? Ay sabi ko kanina, diba, magkakaroon ka ng engagement. Proposal. Pasabog ka, diba? So, what is our chakra? Ang pinaka sa chakra is a guest. So, ibig sabihin na maraming bisita or maraming tao na makikibalita sa'yo, no? Kailangan huwag ka magbibigay ng impormasyon na alam mong mauudlot. And there's a faith, no? Magtiwala ka in God, magtiwala ka at manalig ka, no? Na lahat ng mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo in God perfect plan. Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito na parang ito inahanda lang yung offer na para sa iyo. There's an offer by Diamond. Ibig sabihin, indestructible, and of course, there's a higher value. Mataas ang value mo. What is additional messages? There's a practice. So, ibig sabihin na there's a skills or kailangan mo i-enhance. And there's a trust. No? Magtiwala ka kay God at magtiwala ka in God perfect time. And there's a body work. So, some of you, kailangan mo magpa-massage kasi parang masyado ka na na-stress. No? Kailangan mo ng treatment. So, what is additional messages? What is additional messages? There's a snake. May ahas tea. There's a release. Kailangan mo i-release to. Yung ahas, yung traitor. And there's a past life. There's a gift. You are being gifted. Maring gifted ka, meron kang kakayanan nang wala yung ibang tao. So, what is angel's number? What is angel's number? Angel spirit. There is a 15. I am wise, no? Kailangan mo maging wise dito. Your love for others is powerful and you are able to spread your gift of support far and wide. Your curious and social nature brings you in a contact with a variety of people on who would benefit from your warm, heartfelt, and words of wisdom. So, ibig sabihin, maging wise ka na dito. Maging mauta ka na, maging practical ka. And there's 222. Trust that seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourish them with words, feeling, and actions. So, kailangan nyo, yun nga, maging balance physical and emotional. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Spend more time outdoor. No, kailangan mo mag-spend ng oras sa labas at para mas para maalis yung stress mo. I feel some stress dito. And your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Ibig sabihin, mapagkakatiwalaan daw yung mga gabay mo. No? Kailangan mo magliwaliw at lumabas, na-stress ka. Nararamdaman ko. Jesus loving quotes. And I am the good shepherd given his life for the sheep. Ibig sabihin dito, may mga times na ibibigay sa iyo ni God yung mga bagay na makakabuti sa iyo. Dahil yung mga bagay na makakabuti sa iyo, yan yung kalooban ng Diyos. Kumbaga may mga bagay isa sa tayo na nararanasan nating kalugmukan na paghihirap. Ibig sabihin, yan yung way ni God para matagpuan mo yung magiging maganda ang buhay o magiging maganda ang kalalabasan niyan. No? Manalig ka, kumapit ka kay God. Huwag kang magkaroon ng question, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan? Hindi. It's a process and progress. So, what is the messages of life? Awareness. Kailangan mo maging maingat at maging handa. I open my consciousness to my truth self. I understand that I am here to grow, to free myself to conflict, and to discover who real I am. Today I release illusions and the limitations of the material world in order to elevate my being towards the eternal light. I grow and stronger as I explore the wonderful being that I am. Ito na nga, di ba? Kumbaga, pagtanggap mo sa sarili mo. Kumbaga, nagiging kumbaga, natatanggap mo na yung possibilities. Yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo, there's something better. Alam mong ilalagay ka ni God sa mga bagay na makakabuti sa'yo. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na awareness by mag-ingat ka. Kung ano man yun nangyayari sa paligid mo, kumbaga isang paalala lang sa'yo yan. No? Na there's an information or synchronicities na hinahatid sa'yo ng angel spirit. So guys, this reading is a special gabay for the month of August 18 hanggang August 24 for the sign of Leo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!